Hey, gals and guys, this is Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. And why is my camera sideways? It's being all funky and weird. All right, so another toy we're playing with today, and this is going to let me back it up. This is ThinkCentre Lenovo, I do believe, because there's been a Lenovo pattern going on here. So we're going to unbox this baby, and I'm going to see if I can hang myself. So we get a keyboard. Isn't that pretty? Pretty keyboard. In this box, it's just a keyboard, a Lenovo keyboard. All right, I'm sure there's a mouse in there someplace too. Oh my lord! Let's get that back in the box because I don't really need that. Ooh, look at this! What do you think is in here? Ooh, look at her! All right, so we got the power cord, which is always handy. Some type of brace-like thing. I'm not sure where that goes. All right, power cord, mouse, just a regular, old-fashioned, typical mouse thingy-dingy. And then we got the cord that plugs in, just like normal. It's a looks like a 90. Oh my god, I don't know where my glasses are. All right, we got this for Wi-Fi, antenna for Wi-Fi. All right, we'll just put all that stuff over there. Here's the important port. So let's see what we got. Oh my god, can you believe it? It's a Lenovo machine type. I don't even know what the hell it is. Oh, well, ThinkCentre, we already said that. So, crap. I always lose my glasses. I don't ever know where I put them. I just use them and I put them down, and then it takes me 2 seconds to use them, and then 10 minutes to find them. God damn it. All right, let's see what we got here. Manufactured for Lenovo, made in Mexico. Well, that's nice. Oh, ThinkCentre M70q. M70q. Bingo. All right. And what do we got here? We got, I gotta take my glasses off. Those are reading glasses, so you only can see close up. So we got the power button in the front. We got USB. And we got that quick connect there, whatever you call it. Thingy, dingy, ding, ding, ding there. And we got a DisplayPort in the back. We got HDMI in the back. We got, looks like 3 or 4 USBs. Place for the antenna. Ethernet ports. I'm assuming that's for power. And I'm not really sure what the hell that is. All right, so I don't have a lot of working room here. So here we go. Here's the unit. Let's track down the power cord, shall we? There's the mouse. We don't need the mouse. Here's the power cord. So let's, again, don't plug it in this way. No, just take this off first. All right. So that's my tip to you. All right. Don't plug the plastic in. And let me see here. Just a little message while I'm waiting here. All right, so there we go. There's the power in there. Now I gotta go way over there and plug the power in. I don't. My arms aren't there. My arms are pretty long, but god damn it! Hang on a second. All right, let's put the power on. Hey, it's powering. That's awesome. So I'm going to cheat here. And I got this little doohickey thingy. You probably know what that is. And if not, I'll show you what it is. And I'm not going to do a separate review on it. This will be like a bonus review. This is like going to be a review and a review. Get the fuck in there, you little fucker. All right, so she's powering up, but you can't see that it's powering up because I didn't put the monitor cable in there. So in this case, I grabbed my HDMI cable. So I just got to find the HDMI port. And there's an HDMI, and there's DisplayPort. So if you want dual monitors, you can do it that way, or just do yourself a dock. I actually did this review of this dock. I think I posted that video. Yeah, I did post that video already. Okay, so here we are. This is go here. Oh, got to make sure you use the right mouse. So if you're not aware, this is for wireless. This is for a wireless mouse, which is this here. And this is LOGI. I don't know if Lenovo support is if it's their company or not. Oh, there we go. And that's moving. And then we got, oh my Lord, I need a bigger workspace here. Then we got this baby will turn on. And then I gotta log in. I gotta log in here. All right, we're logging into this sucker. Phew, sweating. It's hot out today. It's been raining out and it's muggy as all hell. And somehow, I don't know if there's flies that are bugging me. I think it's this cord. I keep shooing this cord away. I keep thinking it's a fly, and it's not. It's a cord that keeps hitting me in the leg. But I got a couple flies running around here and flying around here, not running around. And I keep thinking they're attacking my leg, and it was the cord. So a little story while we're waiting, just to amuse you, maybe. All right, so this is all corporate and work stuff, so we're not really going to deal with that and make sure I got the right. So as you see, everything's up. Lickety split. You want to see the details. Let me just go in there and look at properties real quick. And yep, 16 gigs RAM. And yeah, I've done, what have I done? I've done, you can see, I can see it right there on the camera. Freaking sweating. I've done, now I lost my train of thought. Help me out, would you? Hewlett Packard and what's the other stupid? Oh yeah, Dell. I've done Dell minis and also Hewlett Packard, and it's pretty much the same. I mean, go back and you can look at those reviews and look at them. And again, it's Windows. It's Windows 10. You know, I can't go on beyond. I can't critique beyond that or review beyond that. I mean, they all function the same. It's okay. You know, it's always look up the price point and see what the difference is. And it works fine. And there must be a contract with Lenovo, obviously, with this particular employer, because that's all I received was Lenovo stuff. And yeah, so I'm going to set this user up. Yeah, so I feel like I've accomplished a lot today. Not only have I done these videos, I updated the computers for actual users and got them ready to be deployed. I showed you what the stuff was. I learned how to use the stuff. Not that it was overly hard. If you used one computer, you pretty much use them all, unless they're Macs, which I think I've used a Mac twice in my life, but that has nothing to do with anything. There was on the back of the unit, on the back of the Mini, there was that when I unpacked it, and it will come with all of them. So there was like that little antenna thing. You don't necessarily need it. That's kind of if you want to pick up, if you're at a farther distance from your router, that's really what you need that for. But I didn't even hook that up, and I've never hooked that up. Medical carts is where they've been hooked up before, because medical carts go over, like if you're on one floor, it's a big floor. Those are used there, but if you're in a small office or, you know, my apartment, you don't really need those. So, gals and guys, that's all I have on that one, and I think I ran out of stuff. I got a headset. I don't think I'm going to review that headset, though. I appreciate you, as always. If you could please subscribe, that would be uber-duper awesome. And if you could like this video, if you liked it, that would be awesome. Like it twice if you absolutely disgustingly hated it. And then please share it, I don't know, share it with the guy across the street. And then hit the bell for updates. And I don't know, maybe I'll have a commercial after this. Maybe we'll just end the video. But I'll see you next time either way.